Buffering comes in many forms when it's on your streaming device. It may be your Firestick, that's what we're looking on, but it's the same on any streaming device. And there's a few things we can do to fix it. Sometimes it's out of our control. Sometimes when we're using certain streaming apps, we can't fix it. That's the app. The app's crap, the app's giving you dodgy links, but there's things we can do to fix it. So I'm going to show you that. And if you want to stay up to date for daily updates on all of this, make sure you hit that follow button. So, first one, which I think is actually one of the biggest, which people, some believe, some know it, some tried it, tested it, and it works for them, is, I know, I'm going to put it out there, using a VPN. In certain countries, the UK especially, certain ISPs, internet service providers, they will block or throttle the sites you are streaming from. So you may be streaming using a streaming app, a free streaming app, and that will scrape the internet, and it will find your movie links. You will click on that movie link, or you don't get many movie links. That's because your internet service provider is throttling what you're trying to access or blocking. Virgin, Sky, they're bad for it. They will throttle you, they will block it. You may lose a little bit of internet speed while using a VPN, but most of us have stupidly fast internet in the UK. So if you go from 500 megabytes, or megabits, sorry, down to 100, that's perfectly fine. You only need about 30 to stream. So if you need your VPN, get yourself on a different server so they don't know what you're watching. You can watch, stream, you'll get more links, and that's how you do it. So if you need one of them, check the link in my bio or message me and I'll send you a link and get yourself a great deal on that one. Secondly, one which most people miss is actually your storage. So if you're on a streaming device, go to your settings, go to applications is probably the easiest way. And what you will see, if you go to manage installed applications at the top there, you will see the storage. I have 12 gigabytes available. Great, because I'm on a larger Fire Stick with good storage. Some of you won't have that much available. So what you need to do is make sure you have around, ideally 500 megabytes to a gigabyte, okay? Because if you don't, when you stream a film, if it's a big film, like a 4K film, you have to download that movie. Yes, you're not fully downloading all of it, but you're downloading parts of it temporarily. So if this movie is huge file with a huge audio file and you don't have enough room, as it's downloading, you're trying to watch it and it's trying to delete itself for the next bit. And that's what triggers buffering. Even on a live stream, you have to download a little bit to watch it. It has to come on your device. So you are putting it on there and then it watch, delete. That's why you used to get that little grey line of buffer beforehand. That's why even a live stream is slightly delayed from old style TV watching, okay? So make sure you've got some storage. To get some storage, remove some apps under manage installed applications, or you can install Squiffy at the top there, which will help you clear out some dead space. And thirdly, make sure you are using different apps. If the apps you're using aren't working, they're probably poor apps. So what you want to do is get yourself Downloader, go on to Downloader, and then use code 75726. 75726. If that doesn't work, just type in docsquiffy.com, check out the site, and there's loads of different apps you can try there. Because if first doesn't succeed, try again with a different one. Many are up and down at the moment. But if you're not getting buffering on official apps and you are on third-party apps, this could be down to the ISP block or just a bad app.